Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at the Uniswap governance token and its valuations against Bitcoin, also with the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. I apologize, I usually do at least, I believe, like one video a day, including the weekends. But on Friday, I did get some dental work done and actually got my wisdom teeth pulled. And I thought I would be, MIA for the entire weekend, but considering what happened yesterday, I'm sure what all of, sorry, on Saturday, markets were really moving, and I wouldn't be, I couldn't live myself if I didn't watch it with you guys. But yesterday I took a little uh, me time to recover. Now I feel a lot better. And let's go ahead and look at some charts. So with Uniswap, Uniswap has done everything right so far. We endured anyone who has been holding Uniswap tokens. We endured the bleed, the two major bleeds of Uniswap against Bitcoin, and now we are seeing a recovery of sorts. We we put in a double bottom, which is one bullish move. We saw a double bottom hit. We then made a higher high and a higher low. And with that, we broke out our next target. We said was going to be up here the last high we did at 25,000 sats, and we are at the moment breaking it today. We are up 6%. It was starting at around 4% earlier this morning. Now we're at 6%. Could very well come down to 4% again. There's a lot of the day left. As you can see, a UTC time, there's about 9 hours left. So with that said, um, this is all very good. This is amazing. This is what we wanted to see with Uniswap, um, and 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 exciting to see what will happen in the coming days and the coming weeks. With that said, it's really hard to now paint a target with Uniswap. I guess the next target for Uniswap would be to get to the all-time highs against Bitcoin. I'm fairly confident that it will, and I don't see Uniswap hanging out at this level forever. With that said, I don't know where it's gonna land. I really don't. And these are one of the tokens that I have that are essentially punts. Um, or and kind of just, I'm this is literally like putting like $500 on black on the roulette table, because it's hard to make technical analysis with price history only going back to September of last year, and it's just such a new coin. It's not much TA we can do. We don't know the relationship Uniswap has with Bitcoin, and because of that, I'm just holding on to it. I'm not selling here. I won't be selling for quite some time unless we get to like 10x, in which case, you know, I'll consider taking some off the table. But at this point, it's just nice to see Uniswap recovering. It took a long time. It took, a couple of months. It took like maybe 4 months. Yeah, around 4 months to recover. Um, so yeah, this is essentially what we want to see. We want to see this keep going. And we'll keep on looking at Uniswap. When we look at the US dollar, um, that's against Ethereum, the US dollar shows something interesting. Ever since we didn't put a double bottom, but we essentially made that higher high that we were talking about with in hopes that we saw with against Bitcoin. But we made a a bounce off a dollar 85. We came back down to about $3.30. We rallied up to $6.30, came back down to $5.20, and now we are rallying to $9.40. We were essentially trading in this channel since November, and here we are breaking on top of it. Now, is this something to you know bet all in for? Probably not. We don't know. Again, we don't know how high this is going to go. We see that it's broken the all-time highs. It's above 690, which was the top when it first started trading. But um, we simply don't know where this coin's going to go. If you do hold this, very risky to trade because honestly, how are you going to trade this? There's no price history. There's little to none to no technical analysis. This is kind of just a Hail Mary kind of hold. With that said, again, I am not selling. I won't be selling for quite some time, but it's very exciting to see Uniswap finally make these moves. And look how bullish it was. It's been green daily candles ever since January 12th. Um, when we put it to the weekly, we have essentially 4 green weekly candles on the US dollar. So let's keep the momentum up with Uniswap, and hopefully this makes some moves. And to be honest, I think with Uniswap, it has to be a top 10 coin. That's what I think. And I think right now it's in the 20s. So there's a lot of market cap to be made with Uniswap to make it a top 10. And that's and I know I don't say a target number for Uniswap because I simply don't know, but I'm fairly confident that it will be a top 10 cryptocurrency. Um, so keep that in mind. That's what I'm banking on, and I hope to see it through. Uh, anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.